can't see the edge. There we go. Oh!
Loves the sunshine.
Me and my boy. My son.
Sunshine.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. It was better the second time. That's why I go on things twice.
Everybody loves the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine.
That was fun. I'm doing that again. Got to. Okay, I see how they made the light. See those right there? That's where the sun shines through, which makes the lights. Now, go! My life in the sunshine.
Everybody loves the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine.
Something happened. Been standing in this line for about 20 minutes.
It didn't happen.
Which isn't a long time for a water park, but when the water's not running. Am I in it right? All right, let's go. Probably the last ride of the day. Been here a good while, since about 10:30, and it's like a lot of people were here, and after 1 o'clock it was just kind of too packed. Don't feel like waiting in lines again. Probably going to get back in the lazy river after I do this one more time. what I get for having my mouth open. There comes another wave.
Everybody loves the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine.
Summertime.